introducing, birthing, if you will, on the vernal equinox is the formal relaunch of my Fit Mind Body Conditioning company, my brand, what I do for a living. So you'll see that come up as a website, so Fit Mind Body Conditioning, link to this YouTube channel, of course, but I already got merch. So one of the things that I haven't done for a long while, but I did do recently, was I shot a yoga calendar. So back in the day, I used to shoot a lot of yoga calendars. And so I decided to do one because people are always saying, well, that's from 20 years ago. That's from whatever ago. This is literally from 3 weeks ago. So it's a wonderful 2027 calendar. It is showing different poses that we do throughout our practices. And then has a little inspirational message on the back as well. So there's a yoga calendar, there's the fitness calendar, and then there's also going to be a fitness planner for you as well. So following sort of the mind-body practices that I do with my clients, with my classes, those are included in the planner. Some of the affirmations are included in the actual calendars themselves. This one happens to be focused exclusively on yoga. My other one is focused on all the other fitness activities that we do in Fit Mind Body Conditioning. And also my book that's coming out, and also retreats that we have coming out, as well as what I'm teaching live classes, live and in person, not just here, and also for bookings for doing master classes. So that's all going to be launching on the vernal equinox, which is coming up this Friday. So I am setting personal intentions around that, and I hope you will set a collective intention around that too, being a part of my community. So definitely want to keep an eye out for these, and I'll talk about that more on the actual launch date itself. And then finally,